So you're going to make a list, my list, and let's store some numbers inside it, and let's say 10. And now I'm going to make another list underscore some variable. Let's store 0 inside it. Let's make a for statement for num in my list, and then we'll add the first number with the next one. So list underscore sum plus num. So this will add the elements. Let's print the my list sum underscore sum, and let's end each element with a comma. So let's run it. So you can see 1 plus 2 is 3, similarly 3 plus 3 is 6, and so on. So you can see there is a comma in the last also after 55. So to remove that we will use /b. Let's put /b and /b. So this will remove the last comma. So now let's iterate through a string. So I'm going to make my string variable. Let's store inside is Python programming, and now let's make a for statement for letter in my string, and we will just print the letter. Here we will end it with a space equals, let's put a space in between. So you can see Python programming with a space. So let's make a new for statement. Let me put for underscore in, let's say ice. Okay. Let me make it as ice, and we'll print, let's check cool. Okay. So when I run it, I can see it is giving the output as cool, cool, cool. So 3 times there is cool. So now we'll iterate through a tuple. So let me make a tuple tup, and let me store some values inside it. So tuple is always inside a parenthesis. Let's take till 7. We'll print, let's make a for statement for item in tuple, and then we'll print the item. When I run it, here I can see 1 to 7. So let's make a list of tuples. So for that I'm going to make, let's say my underscore list. So already my list is there, so I'm going to put my list 1. So I'm going to put let's take 1 comma 2, this is first tuple, and let's take a second tuple, let's take 2 comma 3, and similarly one more 7 comma 9. So this is my list of tuples. So I'm going to make a for statement for a comma b in my list 1. So here we'll just print a. So this will unpack the tuple. Let's make print b. So you can see here 1 2 2 2 3 and 7 9. So you can add more things inside it. So let me make a dictionary underscore 1, and then we'll put some items inside it, key value pair. So let's put the key as, let's say key 1, okay, key 1, and value as 1. Similarly let's put k2 and the value as 2. Similarly k3 and value as 3. So this is our dictionary. I'm going to make a for statement for I in dictionary 1, comma, dot items. Okay. So this will show the items inside it. We'll print the I. So let's run it. So here I have to put a tab. So you can see k1 and the value. Similarly you can see the different values